Hi guys, here's a quick video showcasing our newest release steering wheel for the Dodge Ram TRX 2021 and up. Part number vz102402. As you already know, vicrez steering wheels are fully customizable and they feature an ergonomic design to handle long hours of driving. They're made of factory steering wheels to ensure OEM fitment and quality, as well as made of 100% real carbon fiber, which you can pair up with perforated leather or Alcantara. And to make it even more unique, you can select the color of both Alcantara and the perforated leather. Your options are limited as to what you can create. This particular customer got his steering wheel with forged carbon fiber for the material, black leather for the hand grips, along with forged carbon inlay, and white stitching. Of course, you can't forget the Smart LED, which displays all your essential information such as RPMs, car climate control, miles per hour, fuel status, engine status, and even a lap timer. That carbon fiber definitely makes your interior stand out. It will most definitely break some necks at any car show. It just looks stunning, especially during a nice sunny day.